We made a run and we took care of him. Heck of a Friday bull.
Friday morning.
All right, we got Bob. He got his first bull, baby. First bull, and it's a stud. So now I need another pack horse. Getting back up. Gonna help Matt find the bull on Sunshine and pick up Bob's bull. Still got Blue. Still on Thanos. Stop snowing. Got a fire out here going. Guess our camp chef is gonna do some brownies or something like that on the Dutch oven on the fire. So looking forward to that tonight. Kinda cool. Snowing pretty good. Been like this all day pretty much. There we go. Thursday night. Gonna help Matt again. Try and get on a bull. We got on a bull last night. This time I'm gonna sit in first draw and scout. He's gonna sit in slaughter.
Can you just go a little harder, please?
I know. This is pretty bad. Whew. I'm gonna ride Bunny tonight for the first time. We'll see how it goes. Everybody says she's a smooth ride, so I think we're about ready. Everybody's trying to block one horse. Nobody wants to be wet. We got a phone down. Was that thunder? That is thunder. Yeah.
Oh,
Friday morning.
Sweet.
Friday morning, we were all walking down here to go scout for Paul's bull. He's the last one to tag out. We get halfway down this meadow, and he shot one right above the cabin over there. So now we're gonna go take care of business.
Sweet.
Looks like a solid maybe 5. Cabin's right down there. This is a cattle division fence. There's the property line fence. This is the very, very, very top of First Creek.
This is where we set up?
Yeah, this is right where we set up earlier in the week.
Right here. Look.
Yeah, it came right up.
They ran them up with that Polaris.
Yeah. 5. I see 5. job. Here come the crows already. This is awesome. There's Matt. So Alan, your guide now?
Yes, sir.
All right, buddy.
I got a vest for you.
Where'd everybody go?
Awesome. Good job, Paul.
I don't understand why y'all laugh. I've gotten cocky now.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job.
Appreciate y'all doing
Good
all this
job.
for me. Thank you. We were halfway down the meadow.
We heard the shot. And we were all like,
We
woo!
We just stopped.
Man. Came out, it was 197. He's still alive. It was 197.
Were you even with them, Matt?
Huh?
Had you got
No,
to
they
him yet?
dropped me off just barely, and I get down there, boom. Probably
Right off
30 seconds later, boom, and I'm like, oh, I hope that's our guys. This guy won't get on the horn forever. It's like he hoards that radio and saving battery or something. No, I was making sure to follow the bull first.
I mean, it's just right there. It was kind of dark.
How many yards? 197. I definitely
Blow snow. The snow blowing.
It's gonna create. You gotta get low. Capture as much light as you can.
We all got cameras.
I got the video camera, if that's what you're looking for.
Did you video the shot?
No.
No time?
This
That's
is
fine. That's
This
fine.
is one heck of a Friday morning.
That's all right.
Yep.
Do what?
He's fired and Alan's
He's
hired.
fired and Alan's hired.
Video coming up over sunshine. Friday morning. Mike and I are walking back to get the ATVs, pick everybody up.
Set. Go! No!
Whoa, we didn't go, did we?
Shit. What was that front half, back half? Don't push those horns through that window.
Oh, that's not working.
No.
We gotta go do something different.
Nope, nice. Nope, just the front half. All right, go down.
We gotta bring his butt this way or else he's gonna hook.
Yep, these hooks. Twist it for me. Twist it.
Damn it, why'd Paul shoot such a big bull?
Yeah, come it, Paul. No. Keep your head out.
Keep your head out.
Okay, we gotta deadlift this sucker. Come on.
Shit.
Okay, ready? Got it.
Whoa. Look at that.
Watch this.
You alright?
Everybody okay?
Yeah.
You alright, Matt?
Wait. Get them in.
Okay.
Tailgate, you did to my brain pants, dude. What? I didn't do that. Well, it wasn't snapping earlier.
This side's hooked.
This side, maybe.
I don't know if it ever will.
Okay.
Just don't drive like a maniac.
We'll drive super slow.
Roll that up again.
I don't think that
It
side
gets hit
hooked,
right.
did it?
Them,
Oh, yeah. Well,
So we gotta get that.
yeah, the horns on the tire there.
Turn his head to back.
Alan, you wanna ride back there and hold
yeah,
my head?
I don't mind, yeah.
You mind? If not, I will. One of
Do
us.
you want the antlers stuck on this? It's okay.
I don't know.
Probably one person should ride back.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Gloves or anything?
One. I got one glove. Let me get it.
You getting
Just
good ones?
bring me to the top and drop me
Send
off.
them to you.
You making me walk all week?
Oh, they're nice.
Oh, I can't airdrop though.
They're nice. You know where he works. You can get him from me at work.
I can't airdrop it though.
figured out.
We'll do something. Email maybe.
Yeah, we can email or text.
Yeah, coming up that top, I saw you guys corkscrewing. We followed the same tracks. We're like,
We drove up the whole half of this, we drove up it sideways. They did too. This is where we drove up sideways.
yeah, you can see.
Holy smoke.
There were a lot of elk tracks between the Ranger and the kill. There was a bunch of elk tracks up in here. There was deer track up here.
Those are all new tracks.
It's amazing what's running around here at night.
Look at the
diesel.
about this whole
I know
deal.
that. I was wondering if you
It's
saw
not bigger
that
than
too.
this.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have to live with this all year.
You do have a better story than Randy.
That's true.
That's true. So we'll talk about it. Excited and happy, and I'll say it was almost as big as mine, Paul. That would be the end of every sentence. So
Yeah. Was it acceptable?
that was acceptable. Yes. That-
There they go. It's Friday afternoon. We're getting out a day early. Every hunter's got a horse. Matt's got 2. But yeah, shot the last bull this morning. A lot of snow, a lot of rain this week. Been crazy. Mucky, sloppy, messy. That corral is just a mess. Good week. 100% again. Can't beat it. So now we gotta take the Rangers down and everything else and head to town. Riding out in a Ranger. This is sloppy. It's gonna be an adventure getting down. Drop down at some elevation into the infamous Aspen Grove. It's a lot drier. I guess they didn't get much snow. Still a little slippery and mushy, but we're making it happen. All these rocks are so much fun. Over there. I think it's so cool to have like a little cabin in the bottom of this valley. Pretty neat. Just out in the middle of nowhere. Little cabin. Still gotta get some cows. We're getting close. Really dry down here. This trip down was a lot easier than I think all of us were expecting. We were expecting a really sloppy, nasty mess the whole way, but it's pretty dry down here, so that's good. Makes it easy for everybody, keeps everybody safe. So it's good. All right, heading out, driving the Blue Beast. Gotta get it to Jonathan's, and then Dylan and I are gonna head to town. Probably grab a hotel and then back out here tomorrow. If Jonathan wants to come out here, help sort cattle or whatever, and then get back in the afternoon to help Jeff with the groceries, get all that stuff figured out. So we'll see. outside of Antonino. Towns look like. Snow-capped mountains over there. Look. Snow-caps. You're up in the snow. Saturday morning, cattle drive time. I'm actually on Firecracker. Never ridden Firecracker before. But he's named Firecracker because he's born on 4th of July, not because he's fast. This will be fun. There's Bear. Bear's the new spur. He's gonna chase some cattle. There's Rob and Dylan. About to start. Jonathan gave me BB gun. Shoot cows. This will be silly. I'll try not to drop it. We're going way up there to Broke Off Mountain. Broke Off. Firecracker's doing good. I got him running with a few whips. Broke Off Mountain. Oh, there's some hunters. See what they're seeing. See if they sell any cows, like in the bovine sense. This is the main cow camp during the summer. In true Firecracker fashion, we have fallen behind going down the hill. We'll catch them on the flat. Alright, come on, let's go. Really wish I had the GoPro right now. Riding a horse, running down cattle, shooting at them with a BB gun. That'd be pretty cool GoPro footage, but oh, it's fun nonetheless. I can't run a cell phone, a horse, and a gun at the same time. But oh well, still fun to talk about. Back. I gotta go down and get those down there, but there's San Antone, the mountain that references everything out here. The herd that we're pushing is just getting bigger. We are to the corral. We already got a bunch in there. Still pushing a bunch in. Come on, Packer. They're everywhere. cattle. And the horses drive in small bunches to down the chutes there to sort. Well, we spent the whole day sorting cattle. I don't have a voice. I lost my voice, Rob. Oh, dirty. Dirty, dirty.